Shreya, what's most tragic in this case is the fact that there were so many lapses that went completely unnoticed. I'm wondering whether because of the problems that the hospital had, they decided not to get the license renewed, isn't it, on the 31st of March? Or why else would they not renew their license?
Well, Sneha, you know, what I'm learning about the procedures that are required for the renewals of these nursing homes, in one of the recent incidents that took place in around 2022, it was mandatory for the basic NOCs to be acquired by nursing homes, failing which their renewals were also not to be continued. So there's in all probability that, as we've already reported, that NOC was not duly taken by this particular baby care center. It's probably the reason why the license got expired on the 31st of March. But one thing to point out that the authorities responsible for ensuring the checks and balances are followed, this is a lapse on their part. We've also reported past criminal history of the same nursing home. So clearly things couldn't have gone unnoticed. There are a lot of answers to be taken place because there are multiple such nursing homes, especially in the residential areas of the national capital. Most of them, it's unlikely that they maintain the required norms for fire safety. So how and what are the manners in which the fire department or the health department is taking action against them is a larger question that needs to be answered, because 7 innocent lives lost, newborn babies, and clearly with Delhi Police also now acting up, it's all likely we expect that more responsibilities will be pinned on the authorities who are also responsible to take stock of such situations.
I want to thank you for the moment for getting us up to speed with those details. Shreya Chatterjee tracking that story very closely. Major lapses at the Delhi Baby Care Center. Let's get you details about that. And it's absolutely horrifying how the hospital got away in spite of so many problems. It ran illegally on lapsed license. 31st of March 2024 is when the license lapsed. They never renewed it. Lapse number 2, illegal oxygen racket right near the hospital. Lapse number 3, illegal oxygen cylinders burst, adding to the fire. Lapse number 4, there was no emergency exit. Basic requirements in a hospital facility, in any building, this kind of an NOC is required to have these fire safety norms in place. That was completely missing. Lapse number 5, no fire extinguishers at the hospital. Lapse number 6, the doctor on duty not qualified to treat newborn babies. Lapse number 7, 5 beds were there, but 12 newborns were admitted, so it was running over capacity. Delhi woke up to a somber note today. At least 7 babies were killed following a massive fire at a children's hospital in the national capital. The owner of the hospital has been booked but is at large. The BJP has called the mishap a murder. Let's take a look at this report.
A night of horror in Delhi. A tragedy of unimaginable scale at Children's Hospital in Delhi's Vivek Vihar area. A devastating fire coupled with explosions of illegally stored oxygen cylinders. Out of the 12 babies present in the hospital, 6 were dead in the fire. The horrifying incident has sent shockwaves through the community and raised serious questions about safety protocols in healthcare facilities in the national capital.
हाँ जी, हमारे बच्चा था, कल देख के गया, ठीक था, वो पता चला कि कल काम ले जाएंगे और कोई इन्फॉर्म नहीं दिया हमें कि अस्पताल में आग लग गया। तो आपका बच्चा कहाँ है अभी? यहाँ नहीं गया, जीटीबी में है हमारा बच्चा। सर, उन बच्चों को मिल नहीं रहा। कोई हॉस्पिटल की तरफ से बताया? कोई नहीं बताया सर, हमें सुबह पता चला 7 बजे, तो फिर हम आए थे।
Take a look at this video. It shows the terrifying moment of a massive explosion amplifying the tragedy. First, responders, including Delhi police and firefighters, arrived promptly after receiving the distress call. They battled the flames and successfully rescued a dozen of people and children.
It is a typical rescue operation because there are cylinders are blasting, and because of that you have to save yourself also and the neighboring building also. So we made a 2 team, 1 team for rescuing children, and 1 is firefighting. Now as such there was no problem, only the blast was the problem. That's all.
Local residents revealed that an illegal oxygen outlet was being run from the premises, running trade of filling small cylinders from the bigger ones. Killer criminal negligence being the trigger of the carnage.
इलीगल गैस की बड़े सिलेंडर से छोटे में इलीगल रिफिलिंग करते थे। हम लोगों ने बार बार शिकायत करने के बाद वो सब दबवा देता था, उसकी पहुंच है ऊपर अच्छी। 11:30 बजे सिलेंडर फटे हैं 3। हमारे आसपास के मकानों के सब खिड़की दरवाजे शीशे टूट गए, गाड़ी डैमेज हो गई, मेरे हाथ में ये कट लगा है।
गैर कानूनी तरीके से यहाँ पर जो ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर है वो रखा हुआ था और आग लगी। उसके बाद जो एक ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर है वो फटा, जिसके बाद जो आग है वो पूरी बिल्डिंग को अपनी चपेट में ले लिया। अगर ये देखें तो जो पूरी बिल्डिंग है वो जर्जर हो चुकी है। दमकल विभाग की टीम वो मौके पर पहुंची थी, दिल्ली पुलिस की टीम मौके पर पहुंची हुई थी और आनन फानन में तमाम जो बच्चे हैं उनको रेस्क्यू कराया गया, सभी को नजदीक के अस्पताल में भर्ती कराया गया।
ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर ब्लास्ट होने की वजह से ये आग काफी बढ़ गई। हमारी तरफ से बहुत साफ है कि इसकी जांच करेंगे, जल्द जांच करेंगे और जो भी दोषी हैं जिन्होंने इसके अंदर लापरवाही की है या मिलीभगत की है उनको सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
The owner of the hospital, Naveen Kichi, has been arrested. He is a habitual offender. He was first booked in 2021 for not registering his nursing home. A war of words has also erupted over the tragedy, with the BJP calling it a murder of children.
अगर इलीगल नर्सिंग होम बनता है और वहाँ इलीगल रीफिलिंग का काम होता है और ये कह रहे हैं ब्रिजेश जी कि हम लगातार शिकायत कर रहे थे, उसके बावजूद उससे कार्रवाई नहीं हो रही, तो हर वो अधिकारी, वो दिल्ली सरकार का हो, दिल्ली नगर निगम का हो या दिल्ली फायर सर्विसेज का हो, ऐसे लोगों को सूली पे टांग देना चाहिए। ये 7 बच्चों की हत्या का मामला है, उन बच्चों ने तो आंखें भी नहीं खोली। ये सिस्टम है आम आदमी पार्टी का कि जब भी कोई घटना होती है वो अधिकारियों पर दोष डालते हैं।
As the community mourns this unimaginable loss, questions about safety standards in Delhi hospitals are being raised. With Arvind Ojha, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello viewers, the owner has now been arrested and so is the doctor who was on duty and not qualified to in fact treat these newborns. He was not equipped. This is in fact a series of lapses from the year 2021. The hospital faced an FIR for illegal operation in the year 2021 as well. Hospital found not registered with the Delhi government as per the requirements of the law. In the year 2021 again, the hospital let off with a penalty. Proof of tampering heat on owner Naveen Kichi, who now is arrested. 2021 hospital was booked for assaulting a newborn. CCTV pictures showed nurse assaulting an infant. In the year 2021, again, infant's arm broken in an assault by a nurse. The owner, Dr. Naveen, threatened the parents at that point in time as well. Thankfully, stands arrested today.